So hello guys, my name is Saurav and you are watching Technical Titans Mind. So today I will show you how to use YouTube Premium for free. You can use it to background play music and you can get ad-free YouTube. It's ad-free. So please subscribe my channel and like this video and share this video to get more content like this. So please subscribe my channel. I also post sometimes gaming videos or ethical hacking videos sometimes. So please like my video, share this video and subscribe my channel, or I will take your cookies. Sorry, I was joking just. So can we just get to the real video? Oh yeah, let's go to the real video. So after going to my link, we have to scroll down here and click on download vanced manager. I have already downloaded it, but for you I will download it again. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let you can see it's downloading. Now click on it. If it says can't open file, then go to your my files, file manager. And if it doesn't say can't open file or instantly opens, then just install it from there. Okay, it's saying can't open file, then you have to go to your file manager, then go to phone storage or where you downloaded it. Download, where is the file? Okay, so here manager, just install it. I have already installed it. Just click on install here. I have already installed it, so I will not install it again. So here is the vanced manager. You have to click on it. Then it will say update. You will update it, and on vanced it will say install. Then click on install, and on micro it will say install. Then click on install. These two files will be downloaded and installed on your phone. So what are these? Vanced is YouTube Vanced, the premium version of YouTube, and Micro G is Google services for YouTube Vanced, because YouTube Vanced will not regular Google services. It is needed a modified version of Google services. So you can use a Google account on YouTube Vanced. Then just open your YouTube Vanced. I have already installed it here. So now you can say I can play it on minimize, different, or I can just play it on background. Right? Like I can go to my Discord account and it's on background. So that's how you can use YouTube Premium on your phone very easily.